Tiffany's content, and what do we have here? Take a look at it. A possible tropical storm, a 20% chance. As I mentioned yesterday, August 1st, the tropics are starting to heat up and spin up, and the first one that we have for this August hurricane season is right there on the East Coast, as I mentioned yesterday, with a 20% chance of development. Right now, it's under investigation, okay? But you're still going to see heavy rainfall, lots of thunderstorms, lightning in that area. It's a disturbance. It's a temperature chance in 2 days, and 7 days as well, a 20% chance. So let me tell you something. Right now, it's starting to try to set up right here. You can see it as we zoom in here. You're going to see on zoom.earth that they're definitely highlighting the southeast, okay, and mostly the East Coast, because it's going to start off like in the South Carolina, going up to North Carolina, Virginia, and then even Maryland, New Jersey, New York. It's going to take on the East Coast, okay, if it does develop. And right now, it does have a lot of potential. Again, looking at Zoom Earth, you can see that it was trying to set up shop yesterday, okay? Again, 20% chance of development within 7 days. I'm going to show you the video that I did put out yesterday. That'll give you a more idea of the track, okay, the path, okay? So we're going to see the path on Tropical Tidbits, but right now, you can see that that precipitation is building up. And even for the next few days, it's definitely going to take on some type of development, okay, whether it's thunderstorms, lightning, severe weather, okay? And look at that heavy rainfall for the next few days. That's a lot of rain. And you can see it's a lot going over into the Atlantic, a lot also in the Gulf Coast. We talked about that too. There may be some possible development there as well. So make sure that you're staying tuned. I am definitely going to keep you updated. So right now you're going to see the lightning map. Even in the Caribbean over Puerto Rico, you're going to see that there is lightning and thunderstorms. It may be something trying to develop over there as well. There's a wave pushing off of Africa, but that was something different, okay? Now this may be a homegrown storm that's on the southeast, okay, or the East Coast, basically. And basically, it's gonna use its own, weather to help develop, from the Atlantic as well. And it's going to try to spin up and bring on more lightning and thunderstorms. And this is the map for, today. So when you see this, you're going to make sure that you understand that this can be for the next few days. It's in development mode, okay? And right now, it's definitely under investigation. So make sure you're staying tuned to Tiffany's content. I'm going to keep you updated, okay? We track the weather daily, okay? It's Tiffany's content. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Now make sure that you watch this video from yesterday. It's going to show you the exact track and development path if it does develop. Again, models can change, but stay tuned. Check it out. Thank you. It's Tiffany's content, and welcome back to my channel. Listen, we have some tropics to get into and talk about right there on the northeast coast, going up from South Carolina, North Carolina, into New Jersey, New York area, the Virginia area, okay? We're talking all of that area on the East Coast is getting look like a tropical storm, okay? A big area of low pressure, if nothing else, a huge lot of rainfall coming the next week of August, like August 5th through the 7th, okay? So make sure you're aware of that. And zooming in, you can see right there that it was setting up in the other model. Now we're zooming in and you can see just how much of that low pressure is building up and trying to rotate into a tropical storm, okay? Very much so. It's going to take a lot of toll on the East Coast, meaning a lot of rainfall, if nothing else, flash flood warnings, lightning, severe, weather and thunderstorms, okay? So make sure you're aware August 5th through the 7th that there will be a lot of, rainfall activity, thunderstorm, lightning, low pressure, maybe even a tropical storm heading towards your way, okay? So we're talking to Virginia, okay? Maryland, even New Jersey, New York, the whole East Coast, okay, is on alert for next week, okay? This is coming up on a GFS model. You're going to even see in the Gulf of America, there is some things sprucing up some storms, okay? So make sure that you are aware that there is a huge area of low pressure coming your way, even if you're in the Louisiana area, the Texas area, the Mississippi, Alabama, and even the Florida Panhandle may see a tropical storm. There's a low area of pressure coming up and building up from the Caribbean, and you will see that it's definitely trying to take a toll on Louisiana and the Gulf Gulf of America. Right now, it's early in the stages, but this is hinting at, mid-August, okay? So right after the first one that we saw on the East Coast, will be right after that. And there is a few models that is picking up, okay? So make sure that you're aware that there is, if nothing else, huge rainfall coming your way in Gulf of America as well, mid-August area, okay? So if you have any trips or anything planning for that, and we're going to zoom into the pivotal weather model, and we can going to see just a little bit more. We saw some wind activity too, but we're going to see just a little bit more of that low pressure going down to a 10-18. If it gets any lower, it can even drop to a hurricane, okay? So make sure that you're aware it's a lot of low pressure coming your way on that East Coast, okay? So I'm just telling you right now, I know we're still early in it, but I still have to make sure that you're aware if you're traveling or booking any flights, it's going to be a lot of rainfall in the East Coast and even in the Gulf of America the following week, okay? So again, these models can change, but right now this is the GFS model, and it's looking like the Gulf of America will see something mid-August, and the East Coast will definitely see something. You can see it's already trying to spruce up in the Gulf Coast a little bit. You're going to see a lot of lightning in there, trying to pick up some storms, even from the Atlantic side over to the Gulf of America. So it's definitely trying to pick up some activity over there just in time for, August, okay? August is when we get more of our named storms for the season and for the hurricane season 2025. It looks like it will be picking up in the Atlantic Ocean. You can see it's already starting to pick up on the East Coast there. So you're going to see a lot of lightning, a lot of thunderstorms and everything like that. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to keep you updated, okay? It's Tiffany's Content. Like, share, subscribe, share my channel. It's fun here. We're going to talk about the weather and keep you updated, and a lot of weather reactions, okay? Thank you, everybody. Enjoy your weekend.